tikim-tikim, pinilit kong gustuhin. Bisyo'y nagsimulang lumalim, kaya ngayon ang hirap tanggalin. Kabilin-bilinan ng lola, huwag nang uminom ng serbesa. Ito hindi inuming pang bata, mag-soft drinks ka na lang muna. Pero ngayon ako'y matanda na, lola pahingi ng pangtoma. Ayan na nga, tumataas na ang amats ko, kasi laklak maghapon magdamag. Di bali nang hindi kumain, basta may tomang nakahain. Ang sabi ng lasenggo sa amin, pare, sumat ka muna. Kabilin-bilinan ng lola, huwag nang uminom ng serbesa. Ito hindi inuming pang bata, mag-soft drinks ka na lang muna. Pero ngayon ako'y matanda na, lola pahingi ng pangtoma. Oh nako, nahihilo na ako, kasi laklak maghapon magdamag. Kabilin-bilinan ng lola, huwag nang uminom ng serbesa. Ito hindi inuming pang bata, mag-soft drinks ka na lang muna. Pero ngayon ako'y matanda na, lola pahingi ng pangtoma. Oh Diyos ko, nasusuka na ako, kasi laklak maghapon magdamag. Laklak ka ng laklak, mukha ka ng barak.
Hindi pwedeng hindi natin kantahin yung next song. Kailangan natin kantahin ito kasi nandito si Mr. Kiko. Brand new. Surprise, surprise to.
So many faces, so many races, different voices, different choices. And some are mad while others laugh. Some live alone with no better half. Others grieve while others curse. And others mourn behind a big black hearse. And some are pure and some half bred. And some are sober and some are wasted. And some are rich because of fate. And some are poor with no food on their plate. Some stand out while others blend. And some are fat and stock while some are thin. And some are friends and some are foes. Some have some while some have most. Yeah. Every color, every twirl in this kaleidoscope world. Yeah. Some are great and some are few, and others lie while some of us be telling the truth. And some say poems and some do sing, and others be singing through their guitar strings. Some know it all while some act dumb. Let the bass line strum through the bang of the drum. And some can swim but some will sink, and some of us will be